Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Before we get started, I want to thank all of you new subscribers. We now hit 20,000 subscribers, which is just unreal. Thank you all so much, and also a special thanks to all of you that have been here for the beginning or for a very long time. Today I'm with Eli and Francois together for the first time, and we're here in Xiao Wulai today. And to all of you that wonder why would you take all the time and drive all the way to Xiao Wulai when you have the big normal-sized Wulai a lot closer to Taipei? Well, continue watching this video and find out. I told you guys before, the worst part is having to go back to pick up the camera. One of the things that is slightly different compared to our other places is that this is a little bit more spread out. So we do have a car today. We are fortunate enough to have Eli with us, so he's driving us around. And they do have several different beautiful places, but they are quite far apart. So I highly recommend to either come here with a scooter or with some sort of transportation. But since we are in a car today, we have the luxury to show you all the beautiful sights here, and we're gonna head down to a new suspension bridge and show you some more epic drone shots. Drone shots! If you don't have a drone, you should definitely come and check out this place, because this suspension bridge and the view from here is just amazing. But as I think you can tell, this suspension bridge is quite shaky, so if you're afraid of heights, you should not look down. So we're here in Xiao Wulai today, and we're just having a super chill and relaxed Sunday. If you have followed this channel for a while, then you both know Eli and Francois by now. And Eli just bought a new drone, but he does not have a YouTube channel. And you should already know that Francois has a YouTube channel, but not a drone. So today, my main mission is to introduce these two to each other, getting Eli to start his own channel, and getting Francois to buy his own drone.
Do the fusion thing, you know, from Dragon Ball. They learn a new technique. They do like fusion, and then they become one person. It's something like fusion.
Okay, let's continue before.
Okay.
Lukas, what are you doing?
I'm flying a drone, and I saw this epic waterfall just now. Eli, what are you doing?
Flying over the bridge, getting some pretty good shots.
Francois, what are you doing?
Just reading my book.
there we have everything you can see here in Xiao Wulai. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you watched to the end here, please like, subscribe, and share this video with someone that has not seen amazing drone footage from Xiao Wulai. And also, in just a second, you will have a link to Francois' channel here as well. Just have the waterfall around the corner here, but my camera is so, it's literally like hitting a wall of water if you just turn around here. So I don't even know if you can hear me at this point, because it's quite loud as well. But as always, we will end this video with a collection of all the epic drone shots. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Okay, I know I said I was gonna end this video with some drone shots, but on the way back I just saw this amazing view, and this single frame could be the most beautiful one I've ever seen in any one of my videos. So this will be the end screen for this video. Please don't forget to click on Francois' video here as well, and see you all in the next one.